Hey guys, just a really quick tip for you today on how to separate and beat eggs with your Thermomix. It's really simple to do, and if you've done it once, you will never go back, I promise you. For your beating eggs, you will be using the little whisk, and I'll show you exactly how that's done. So separating eggs can be a little bit tricky, and I know how sometimes you can just crack it open and then there the entire egg goes. It is a little bit of a tricky one, but because you have a Thermomix, it's so simple to do. All you need to do is crack your egg on top of your lid with the measuring cup in place, and whether it's a TM5 or a TM6 doesn't matter, and just lift the lid slightly, the measuring cup, and your egg white will just drop in, leaving you the egg yolk at the top, which means it's completely separated and super easy. Let me show you how it's done with the TM5 measuring cup. Now that you've separated them, let me show you how they're actually beaten when they are in your Thermomix. If you want to find out how to beat egg whites, check my other video on how to make really stiff egg whites. I've got that on my YouTube channel, so just hit that little button and find it. And how to beat entire eggs is actually really simple. All you need to do is insert your butterfly into your Thermomix mixing bowl. You've got your eggs in there already, and then you just pop it on. You're going to pop it on speed 4 for 6 minutes on 37 degrees Celsius, and once that's done, I usually tend to go for another 6 minutes without temperature on speed 3. Now, that doesn't have to be done for all eggs, so if you're going to use it in a cake, all you need to do is go for 1 minute on speed 4. That's really simple, really easy, and it just makes sure your eggs are nicely emulsified. But if you want to make something like a Genoese sponge, that really does need really stiff and proper eggs. That's when I use the 6 minute and 6 minute technique. And if you want more tips like that, make sure to hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel for more incredible tips and tricks and recipes for your Thermomix. And I'm gonna be going off and making a lovely Genoese sponge now.